Hello friends, come along with me. Let's draw Mr. Beast logo. Let's begin by drawing the shape of a lightning strike. Mr. Beast is an internet personality known for his incredible generosity and heartwarming deeds that make a positive impact on people's lives. Next, the eye of a panther. Then, the shape of a panther's face. Let's draw its nose. Its sharp teeth and tongue. Then, the rest of its face. Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, is like a real-life superhero. He's famous for giving away large sums of money, hosting exciting challenges, and performing random acts of kindness to help those in need. Lastly, its whiskers. I'm excited! Together, let's add color to Mr. Beast logo. Its inner nose is black. The lightning strike is colored pink. As well as its tongue. The face of the panther is light shade of blue. Mr. Beast's acts of kindness inspire millions of people around the world to pay it forward and spread positivity. At the end of the day, Mr. Beast's most impressive quality is his heart of gold. He genuinely cares about making the world a better place and uses his platform to spread love, positivity, and hope to people of all ages. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.